Hi, I'm William McKinney, and today I'm here with Scott Tillinghusen from Greenhouse Mortgage. And today we're talking about step one of the home buying process, which is to get a mortgage pre-approval letter. And Scott, when I'm talking with buyers, a lot of times they'll say, hey, I know my credit's not perfect, I'm not sure that I could get approved for a mortgage. What would you say to them?
Well, I'd just say there's a lot of different options out there that people aren't aware of. For example, I've got a file right now where they've got a middle FICO score of 560, and she still is able to go FHA. She's only putting the minimum 3.5% down, and she's getting an excellent rate in the high threes.
So I always tell buyers that step one of the home buying process is to go out and get a mortgage pre-approval letter. And Scott, tell us why that's so important.
Well, it really is, because once we've looked at everything and analyzed all their paper trail or their pay stubs, W-2s, then we have a good financial snapshot of what they have. And if there's any potential obstacles that we need to address, it's better to do that up at the front than halfway through the process or at the very end where we get a big surprise. And no one likes surprises.
Absolutely. I'm a buyer that's getting ready to call you to get my mortgage pre-approval letter. What information do I need to have ready to send to you?
It's real simple, and it's a short list. All we need is a credit report that we pull, 30 days worth of pay stubs, W-2s for the last 2 consecutive years, and then of course a couple of months bank statements that are going to support where your down payment and closing costs are going to come from. Once we have that, we'll have a really good idea of what you qualify for.
So I have buyers all the time that are saying, look, I work till 6, 7 o'clock at night. I don't know when I'm going to have time to get this done. What are your business hours and when can they contact you?
I always tell them if I'm not sleeping, I'm working. So I know my wife will probably kill me for saying that, but you guys need something, I want to make sure I'm there for you and available.
So the nice thing about Scott is call him, send him a text message, send him an email. I've had responses from him, 8 o'clock, even 9 o'clock at night a couple of times. So he's there to make things work for you, and that's what we do in this industry is help you to be able to buy a home in whatever way is convenient for you. So of course everybody wants to know, well, how long is this process going to take to get the pre-approval letter, and how much will it cost me?
Well, it costs them absolutely nothing except for their time. So if they can get me over everything that we need in a timely manner, I've done them as quickly as 30 minutes.